Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here we go now. You know what time it is. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wow, okay.
I said,
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wow, yeah, yeah. Neiman Wayne Dog. Oh,
take it away, baby.
welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wow. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wow. Okay. Neiman Wayne Dog. Yeah. Neiman Wayne Dog. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Neiman Wayne Dog. G-A-I-N.
Omanungoom.
I'm happy to be here today.
Me too, sweetie. There we go. BOOZHOO. That old teleporter doesn't always want to work, but I got out here all right. Just thought I'd put on some tobacco and say a little prayer before we get started tonight. BOOZHOO, John. What's going on? BOOZHOO, James. Shugabay. What's going on, Niji? And BOOZHOO, Buck Lake Estates. Ah-hoo! Or as we say up here, ah-choo! I got a cold. So I might sneeze throughout the show tonight. I just took some NyQuil, so let's see what happens. But okay, so I'm going to start by putting out some tobacco. Some Asema. Got some in my pocket here. Asema. And I'm going to offer it to the Great Spirit. Gitchimanadu. Odapana niwi Asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Miigwech ka iji ka kinekeku ka iji chikean tibakok. Thank you for everything that you do tonight. Dakawi tukoishin. Ando minowe iji onagoshin. Please help me to speak well this evening. Miigwech ka iji bamadazayan. Thank you for my life. Dash miigwech ka bizandawieg. And thank you for listening. Ni miigwechiwandam gitchamanadu. I am grateful, Great Spirit. Ape inge. Amen. I wonder if there's any Chinese spy satellites out tonight. Oh, is that a UFO? Or is it a spy balloon? Do you guys believe that? A spy balloon. Oh, hi, we're China. And we want to spy on the Americans. Should we, hack into their computers, send, advanced technology drones or something? No. Let's send a balloon. How about a balloon? It's not a spy satellite, you guys. I don't know what it is, but that's obviously a lie. You know what I think it might be? The people who looked at that balloon, they were like, oh, it looks like there's solar panels. Solar panels. Yeah, that's what you need to operate a spy balloon is solar panels. You know, that'll help operate the solar paneled, camera? Or do they think somebody in China right now is like looking at a little camera from the balloon? Oh, look, there's the nuclear silos. Now we know where they're hiding their nuclear weapons. Shut up. What I think it might be, I think maybe the International Space Station is probably some phony baloney model hanging from a balloon. I bet you they just accidentally found the balloon that the International Space Station, what they call the International Space Station, the thing that people think they see. Oh, I saw the International Space Station. It's real. I saw it in the sky. It's like, okay, maybe it was dangling from a balloon. It's obviously not a spaceship that floats around the Earth in outer space. That's stupid. But it also kind of made me think about, remember in Roswell, New Mexico? Back in the days of the grandfathers. If you don't know, this is for the kids. I think people in my generation all know this. But the original UFO first contact story was introduced to the mainstream in 1942, maybe 48, something like that. Back in the days of the grandfathers, they said that a UFO crashed into the Roswell, New Mexico. And there were 5 gray aliens that were discovered dead. Next day, the government said, no, I wasn't. Yeah, wait, that's funny that's the story that came out. Because the truth is, it was a weather balloon. And everyone went, oh, of course. Of course, it was just a weather balloon. We were mistaken. But what I think, because what I eventually went was like, what is a weather balloon? What are you talking about? Oh, you know, the balloons that float around above the clouds and take pictures. It's like, what? What are you talking about? That's not a thing. Oh, Well, what it is, and they didn't want to tell anybody, is that all so-called satellites are balloons. Anything that's floating around up there that's not a star or the moon or the sun, is tethered to a balloon. NASA owns 95 or 98% of all the helium production in the world. So they have balloons doing stuff, and they tell people, oh, that's a satellite. That's way out in outer space. That's the Hubble telescope. It's light years away shooting photographic images back to the Earth. Yeah, you can believe us. We're not full of crap. So, okay. But whatever, they found a balloon. Oh, look out. And then I think I heard somebody blew it up. It was probably some redneck in Montana. It was like, not on my farm. I just shot that balloon right out of the sky. I don't know. Hey, Badlands Ojibwe. BOOZHOO, Badlands. What's going on, my brother? And friendship, Mino Ona Goshin, BOOZHOO crew. Mino Ona Goshin. Mino Ona Goshin, Gakina Awiya. Hello, everybody. Or good evening, everybody. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to look for Chinese spy balloons tonight. 99 dreams I have had. La 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 la, red balloons go by. Is that what the song's about? 99 Luftballons? Is a red balloon a communist balloon? I betcha that song was about China attacking us with balloons. The war of the future will be fought with balloons. Doesn't seem so scary if we're fighting each other with balloons. I'd join the army if the next war, if the rules were, okay, we're going to go to war, but the only weapons are going to be water balloons and water guns. It's just going to be one big water pistol fight, water balloon fight. And whoever wins, how do you win? Whoever had the most fun, they get to rule the world. Water balloon. Anyway, Joan Frame. BOOZHOO, Joan Frame. And my predictive text us ruining my life. John Sabe Milan. BOOZHOO, John. Welcome back to the show. And Surrealist. BOOZHOO, my sister. What's going on? Did you hear about the spy satellite? Those pesky Chinese. Me Chinese, me play joke. Me go pee-pee in your Coke. Well, it's not funny. Quit spying on us. We like our privacy. I don't know. A balloon bomb from Japan landed in Oregon. Well, there you go. Balloon bombs. That's what they said. The Zeppelins were all about. You know, the Hindenburg. That thing blew up, and they just got rid of all the balloons. But they used to say, in World War I, they would use blimps to bomb countries. Like, what, really? So you lazily kind of float over Germany and drop bombs? I mean, it seems like you'd be just such an easy target. A balloon. That seems like a terrible way to fight a war. But I wondered, I think there was a time in the past when people rode Zeppelins, blimps, back and forth from America to England. And I think the technology was really good and fancy. And for some reason, they didn't want us doing that anymore, and they got rid of it. I wish we could go back to having flying machines like blimps. I'd feel much safer in a blimp than a plane. But in any case, who knows? I wonder how long until they fake the alien invasion. Will it be like this? Oh no, the aliens from outer space are attacking us. Everybody get back inside, put on your masks. It's like, yeah, okay. Sabe, Sabe, I love you, Bigfoot. You're always hiding away. Sabe, Bigfoot. I actually think Sabe is short for Miss Sabe, which means giant. I think Bigfoot's just a giant. He's a giant hairy guy walking around. Some people think he's a shapeshifter. The reason you never see dead Bigfoot is that before they die, they shape shift into like a chickadee. Something little. Because they can be anything, They don't have to just shapeshift into like a human. They could, turn into a bear or a bird. Anything. Maybe a Bigfoot shapeshifts into an eagle. It's the last thing and just flies away. I mean, people say, oh, how come we've never seen Bigfoot bones? Well, I've never seen eagle bones. I know eagles die, but I've never seen, oh. I don't believe eagles are real because I've never seen a dead one. I guess I've seen a dead eagle. They used to have dead eagles in my college library. They had an old display behind the glass there of eagles, bald eagles, dead, like taxidermied. I remember kind of going, why? I don't need to see a dead bird. Oh, so traditional. I love looking at dead eagles. The Hindenburg. Oh, the humanity. I can't believe it's burning up. It's like, yeah, it's helium or hydrogen or whatever. Blew up. You ever see a plane crash? How come nobody is screaming the humanity in 9/11? Little plane take down 3 buildings. You know, if you believe that. But, yeah. So, anyway, I'm going to go back. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, you ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Hey, bonjour.
Well, bonjour to you, too. What's going on?
Not much.
Oh, that fire's nice and warm.
Yeah. Not so cold anymore, though, huh?
Yeah, I know. It's only like 1, 2 below. I guess it's, what is it, 3 below?
3 below 0?
Yeah. That's quite a relief from 27 below.
Yeah.
It was 27 below 0 last night. It was cold last night. Gi gasana dibakong.
Gi gasana dipakong. It was cold last night.
Yep. Gi is always in the past. Gi gasana means past tense, it is cold, or it was cold. Dibakong, last night. Gi gasana dibakong, it was 27 below. Oh, but I made it through the rain. Na-na-na-na-na. Let's see if I can open up this button. Never mind. Anyway, what's going on around here?
Not too much.
John Sabé is back.
Hey, bonjour, John.
What's going on, Mr. Mealand? Sabé probably is the Zibi. It's probably the river. Yeah, Misabe Zibi or Mississippi. Misabe Zibi. I also think they're calling Mississippi River a giant river.
Yeah.
You know, there's Ojibwe all over the place, just hidden in plain sight.
Yep.
I don't know.
You want to take a call?
Well, sure. On line 2.
Yep. Line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Me love cookie.
Well, hi, Cookie Monster. Welcome to the show.
How you say cookie in Ojibwe?
Well, cookie in Ojibwe is like a little bread. We say bakwaji guns. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so. Bakwaji guns? Yeah. Bakwaji gun is bread, bakwaji guns is cookie.
Yeah, bakwaji guns.
Bakwaji... Zinzibar bakwaji guns?
Oh, yeah, what about Zinzibar bakwaji guns?
I think that's a sugar cookie.
All right. Probably should have looked it up before we did this bit.
Wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, so there you go. How's everything else going in your life, Cookie Monster?
Me love cookie.
Yeah, I know you do. Are you dating anybody?
Tickle me Elmo.
You're dating Tickle Me Elmo?
Me tickle me Elmo.
You tickled Elmo?
Yeah.
Okay, that's gross. So yeah. Well, anything else I can do for you?
How you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Cookie. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa.
Gigawaba min minawa.
He's special, isn't he?
Oh yeah, I'll say he is.
I remember my Uncle Vernon.
Yeah.
He didn't know. He was just kind of learning about political correctness. And he knew you weren't supposed to say retarded anymore. But he wanted to talk. He was referring to somebody in my class who had Down syndrome. And I think he wanted to use the term developmentally disabled. But he couldn't remember that because he's too retarded.
Yeah.
And so instead he goes, yeah, it's like that girl in your class. I mean, she's got that, what you call it? She's, goofy.
Goofy?
Yeah. He thought goofy would be a nicer way of saying it rather than mentally retarded. I'm like, she's not goofy. She's developmentally disabled. And she doesn't care that you use the R word. Okay?
Really?
Yeah. That's one of those things where it's like people trying to get people not to say Indian. It's never actually Indian, so go, hey, that's offensive. Quit calling me Indian. It's always like some non-Indian saying, hey, did you know that that's racist? You should say indigenous peoples. Indigenous peoples.
Yeah.
I'm like, indigenous, what? Did I miss a meeting? Was I supposed to be triggered by the term Indian? Who cares? Oh, no, we're Native Americans. All right. I'm an Anishinaabe. How about that?
Yeah, they never want to actually use Ojibwe.
Really? Okay, I'm not going to do anything more until I can... Oh, there we go. These buttons are hard to do. Or undo.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm a woman, W-O, Missy China Lee. Oh, is Cousin Missy here? Yeah, she is. Hey, bonjour, Missy.
How you doing, Missy?
We decided not to go out to that storytelling event. It was too cold. And space is fake anyway.
Yeah.
Did you hear about this Chinese space satellite?
Oh, the balloon?
Yeah. They want us to believe it's a spy satellite. It's like, shut up. It's not a spy satellite.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like a very practical way to spy on us.
I know. It's like if I wanted to spy on somebody, I wouldn't go up 70,000 feet in a balloon, look down. What are those Americans doing in Montana? Oh, we'll find out. We're going to win this war. In our up and away in my beautiful Chinese spy balloon. I just hope it makes people think about balloons again.
Yeah?
Because I think balloons are the key to waking up people to the fact that we're not living on a spinning ball.
Yeah. When you think about the science behind balloons.
Yeah. If we lived on a spinning ball, balloons disprove a spinning ball. Because, and don't give me, gravity. That's not an answer. If we were on a spinning ball, we should be able to take a balloon up, wait around, and the Earth should spin underneath us 1,000 miles an hour at the equator. And then we land an hour later and be 1,000 miles away. But we never do that. There is no detectable motion of the ground ever in any way. You just have to take NASA's word for it. But people think it's common sense. They go, yeah, we live on a spinning ball. Of course we do. Nobody's even debating that. It's like, yeah, well, maybe we should. Why wouldn't you be 1,000 miles away if we were on a spinning ball? How come planes don't have to schedule their flights for 2 hours less when they fly against the spin of the ball? You know, there's no advantage to flying against the spin in a plane. How would you land a plane on a spinning ball? It's ridiculous. But Shirula says, yep, the Mitchell Monument marks a spot near Bly, Oregon, where 6 people were killed by a Japanese balloon bomb during World War II, designated by the National Register of Historic Places in 2003. In Oregon? They flew a balloon all the way to Oregon just to bomb some hippies? Why wouldn't they just fly a plane? It's crazy. I'm thinking those balloons weren't as fragile as we were led to believe from the Hindenburg incident. I bet you they were like bulletproof flying machines or something. John Sabay, 2 thumbs up. Give us thumbs up if you like the show. Give us thumbs down if you're flat stuff Earth. What do you think, baby doll? You want your show back?
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Do you want to teach the word for February?
Suckerfish moon?
Yeah.
All right. Did you know that in Ojibwe, we call this time of year Namebene Jesus, the suckerfish moon? Gather round, children. Time now for Auntie Natasha's traditional Indian Adazukan. Adazukan. This is a traditional Indian story. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a particularly cold winter in northern Minnesota. You see, it was like 27 below one night. And in this particular winter, by this time of year, the Anishinaabe people had already eaten up all their wild rice that they had harvested the fall before. And they had already eaten up all their meat. And because it was so cold, all the wildlife, the deer and the rabbits and everything, they went way back into the deep woods. And it was too cold for the hunters to get out and trap them. And so the Indian people were starving to death. Well, Namebene, the suckerfish, he heard about this. And so he prayed out to Gitchimanadu. And he goes, Gitchimanadu, Namebene, Indigenakaz, this is indigo, or however I say that. My name is Suckerfish. And the Anishinaabe people are starving to death. And Gitchimanadu said, yeah, I know. What of it? And Namebene said, Great Spirit, if you tell the Anishinaabe to come to the lake and cut a hole in the ice, we, the suckerfish, will give up our lives so they may live. Tell them to come to the lake and carve a hole in the ice. And we will meet them at that hole, and they can spear us, and we will feed them. With a great spirit he was taken, his heart was warmed. So impressed was he with the noble Namebene. And he goes, Namebene, I know you're a... People just call you the suckerfish. That you swim around the bottom, that you're a bottom feeder. People don't even want to eat you usually. But because of your generous offer, I'm going to give you a gift. And he was all like, poof, or whatever. And he goes, from now on, every time you reproduce, you'll reproduce yourself hundreds of times over. You will have hundreds and hundreds of children. So plentiful will your family be because you are so selfless to give your life for your friends, the Anishinaabe people. So this is why the Anishinaabe honor the suckerfish this time of year. Because of their noble, sacrifice for the Anishinaabe people. Name Bene Jesus, the suckerfish moon. Or maybe we tricked them into... We were probably like, hey, casino's open, fish. And when they came to the hole, we were like spearing them. You sucker.
No, I like your story better.
Okay. And this has been the Suckerfish Moon Arazukan traditional story. All right, baby. Why don't you get up here?
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to turn the camera over to... Nanaboozhoo, but miigwech bisadawieg. Thanks you for listening. And BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these messages.
Okay, BOOZHOO. It's a lonely old night.
Can I put my arms around you?
It's a lonely old night.
Custom made for two lonely people like me and you.
Yeah, like me and you. John Cougar Mellencamp, rest in peace.
I think he's still alive.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah, I think so.
Little ditty about Jack and Diane. Little ditty about Redbird and Dish and the cause. Redbird's here, sweetie.
Well, BOOZHOO, Redbird, how you doing?
BOOZHOO, Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. And, so the Chinese have invaded.
Yeah.
I say good. Come on over, fellas. You can't invade a place that you're totally welcome to come. Come on in. La-di-da-di-da-da-da-da. That's the most racist thing David Bowie ever did.
What's that?
The intro to China Girl.
Oh, you mean Na 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 na.
Yeah, that's totally stereotypical.
Yeah, it is. Well, remember the video too? He does the eyes.
Yeah, he also does the pulling the eye thing. The me Chinese, me Japanese. No, it's like, Mama was Chinese, Papa was Japanese, and I'm just a mixed up kid. One eye up, the other eye down. Totally, that was racist. Stop Asian hate. People have been too preoccupied with transgender rights to talk about racism anymore.
Yeah, it's kind of lost. It's not as popular as it used to be.
Yeah, when I was in college, everything was racist. Now everything's transphobic.
I know.
Namine Gizas Song Ape Inge Ondazi. I was born in February. Oh, Shirley has a birthday in February.
Well, I want to go see Dubishka. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. February, I think that makes her a Pisces.
Is she a Pisces?
I think so.
Is she a dancer? A romancer? I'm a Capricorn and she's a Cancer.
She saw my picture in a music magazine. Huh, Paul?
That's right, Nanaboozhoo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley.
How you doing, people?
So you were a Capricorn and she was a Cancer?
Actually, I'm an Aquarius. But I couldn't rhyme anything with Aquarius.
Oh yeah, Aquarius is hard to rhyme. But Cancer, dancer.
Yep, Cancer, dancer. I like to rhyme in my songs. And I like to rock and roll all night and party every day.
I know you do, Paul. Paul Stanley.
Yeah.
Well, so today is Friday, sweetie.
Yep.
Snano Gijaga is the 5th day. What else is going on in the news?
Let's see, spy balloons and I think that's about it.
Have they locked up what's his face yet?
Alec Baldwin?
Yeah.
Nope, he's still free.
Okay. I can't believe O.J. Simpson's free.
I know. Well, he didn't do it.
Okay. I heard a theory once it was actually O.J.'s son who did it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, his son was like a master chef and owned like really sharp knives and probably little butcher axes. And some people say that O.J. might have been taking the fall for his son.
I didn't even know his son knew. That blonde lady.
Anna Nicole.
It's not Anna Nicole. Nicole Brown.
Nicole Brown. Yeah, Anna Nicole Simpson's somebody else. Is it?
I don't know. Now you got me wondering.
Is Anna Nicole Simpson the lady who O.J. Simpson killed? Or is it that blonde lady who died of a drug overdose who was married to the old guy?
Maybe it's the same person.
I don't know. I shouldn't laugh. I wish I would have seen it. Oh, cool. Oh, Friendship says I felt the green meteor. Yeah, I heard there was a green meteorite. I wonder what that is.
I think it's the Green Lantern Corps.
It's probably the Green Lantern Corps. Yeah. Green. Scary. It's probably end time stuff.
I wish it was.
Hey, Michael Lyons, what are you doing over there? Yeah, just sitting here watching the show. Michael, did you know you could support our show? by signing up on Patreon. I already did. Did you really? Yep. I'm a patron supporter of the show. Hey, thanks. Yeah, you know. I wanted to get a free book. Well, there you go. You can support the show on Patreon. Links are in the description. You can order books by Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. What's one of your better books, Michael? I like OJIBERISH. OJIBERISH. A simple collection of comic strips by Lyons, which teach an Ojibwe word. And, as a bonus, which is probably half the book, the story of Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. It's a black and white version of it, huh? Yeah, I think so. And coloring book pages. And there's even coloring book pages. Wow, what a bargain. How much is it? I don't know. It used to be $12. I think it's down to $5 or $6 now. Get them while supplies last, because there's plenty. They're on sale. And Amazon is sick of not selling them, so they keep on going down in price. Or wait another year and you'll probably make a little money of every book you order. Yeah. The Hopi said it was the appearance of a bright blue star. Oh, yeah, Hopis had all kinds of prophecies about the end times, didn't they? Probably every religion does. It's heard about the theory that it was his son, maybe a jealous rage by him and not OJ. Yeah, I've heard that too. OJ's son might have been the one to do it. I guess we'll never know.
Well, we'll probably never know. You want to take a call?
Well, sure. Line 2? Yep. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hi, NanaBOOZHOO. It's me, Kermit the Frog.
Well, hey, Kermit the Frog. Sweetie, it's Kermit the Frog.
Well, hi, Kirby. How you doing? Hi, Natasha. I'm getting by. I'm doing all right.
How's that old lady of yours?
Miss Piggy?
Yeah, how's Miss Piggy doing?
Oh, she's sleeping right now. She was out late last night drinking.
Miss Piggy was out drinking last night?
Yeah. She said it was Thirsty Thursday and that she was going to slide into the weekend by going out on ladies' night and Thirsty Thursday.
Wow. And you didn't go out with her?
No, I don't care to drink.
But Miss Piggy does?
Yes, Miss Piggy, I'm afraid she might have a bit of a problem.
Really? Why do you say that?
Well, because she gets blackout drunk, and then she's sometimes gone for days, and she gets into fights. And last week, she came home with a hickey.
Really?
Yeah, she had 2 perfect little marks on her neck.
2 marks?
Yeah, two red dots. And then she says that the sun burns her skin.
You know what I'm thinking?
Are you thinking she was with the Count?
Exactly. Kermit, wake up. Miss Piggy was with the Count.
Count Von Count from Sesame Street?
Yeah, those are vampire bites. I think Miss Piggy just became a vampire, and she's not hungover. She's undead.
Oh no. Well, I don't know what should I do?
Run for your life?
Oh, but I can't. She's my girlfriend and I love her.
Oh, here we go.
Kirby, you gotta get out of that relationship. Oh, but you don't know. She's really good to me sometimes.
Ugh, you're so beta. Would you, number 1, buy a pair of pants and then put those said pants on and tell Miss Piggy who wears the pants and put your foot down? You can't let her go out drinking with the ladies, getting hickeys from vampires, and then just come back home.
You can, You're going to wake her up.
Yeah, I know I'm going to wake her up. Put her on the phone.
No, don't. She gets so angry when she gets woken up from her drunken stupor.
Okay. Listen, man, is that why you called?
Oh, no, actually, I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word for February.
Oh, for February? Sure. February is a suckerfish moon.
Suckerfish moon?
Yep. Name Bene Jesus.
Nome Bene Jesus, the suckerfish moon. That's how you say February?
Yep, that's right.
Oh, well, isn't that a pretty name?
Yeah. Listen, man, I'm going to let you go.
All right. Well, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
We don't say goodbye, Kermit. We say, Gigawaba Min, Minawa.
Well, Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Kirby. Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Natasha. Yay!
Yeah, Gigawaba Min, Kermit. Hang in there.
Oh, poor Kermit.
Yeah. But you know full well he's never going to leave her.
He should.
Yeah, I know he should, but I don't know. The boy's got to buy a pair of pants, put them on, and then tell her who wears the pants.
Yeah. You can't really say it now.
No, because he's not wearing pants. And that really bothers me. I can't have a serious conversation about his relationship if he's going to stand there in the nude. You know. And I think, you know, in any family or relationship dynamic between a guy and a girl, if one of you is standing there naked and the other one is wearing clothes, the person wearing the clothes is just automatically going to win the fight.
Yeah.
You lose all, just everything. You got nothing. If you're not going to wear pants, just don't even have an opinion.
Yeah.
And this has been, I don't know, Sunny Day. So we're getting invaded by China. Alec Baldwin's still on the loose. How come I don't know anything about current events anymore?
Because he quit watching Tucker Carlson.
Yeah, I quit watching Tucker Carlson, so I don't watch any news anymore. I don't think anything else is going on in the world.
Well, it's cold.
It was cold last night, 27 below. Gigasana Dibakong last night. It's the last night. And, I don't know, sweetie. Michael, you got anything you want to chime in on? Not really. I'm starting to feel the effects of the NyQuil kicking in.
Yeah, me too. You want to go to bed early?
Yeah. All right, let's play a song. Oh, this is a cool song with a lot of Ojibwe in it. This is from last fall. Michael Lyons, rock star cartoonist, wrote a song in Ojibwe. And take it away, Michael.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Mino Giga Jabe, good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast
Oh, that's really good
about
coffee.
Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I am tuning my guitar with Way Chicken, and I'd like to sing a song in Ojibwe.
Oh,
This song is called BOOZHOO Kichimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Boozhoo, get your mana do. Mi quetch ga iji ga kina gegu. Ga iji, chekea, nun go. Boozhoo, get your mana do. Mi quetch ga iji ga kina gegu. Ga iji, chekea, nun go. Ni mi quetchi wenda. Ga iji, amadazian. Ni mi quetchi wenda. Ga iji bimadazian. Ga iji kakina gegu. Mi quetch, get your mana do. Mi quetch, ga iji kakina gegu. Ni mi quetchi wenda. Get your mana do.
Oh, wow. That was great.
Yeah, that was.
Ladies and
What we're working
gentlemen,
on anyway.
Michael Lyons on the guitar.
Boozhoo, get your mana do. Hello, great spirit. Michael Lyons, rock star cartoonist. All right. Well, unless you guys have something really pressing you want to get off your chest. Nah, I think I'm ready for bed. Yeah, me too. Okay, kakina awiya, everybody. I want to say from the bottom of my heart, miigwech, galbizan dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech, gana wabiyeg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, sweetie. Yep. About OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This over here. Oh, what would I ever do without you?
Ah, get out of here.
The lovely and talented Natasha.
Miigwech, kakina awiya. Thank you, everybody.
And over here, Michael Lyons, rockstar cartoonist. Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Giga wabamin. Minowa. Hoa. Yeah?
That's pretty good.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.